Alright, so yesterday I think this is as far as we could have. Yes, we couldn't go any further than this. Yesterday the water was very, very rough. Well, we were afraid to go any further than this yesterday, but today we can take you closer and you can see for yourself that Melissa has gone. Thank God. Glad to see the back of she. Alright, so now you can hear the ocean. And the calm with which I am speaking to you now, I had to be shouting over these waves yesterday. I almost lost my voice. Melissa nearly made the ocean take up my voice yesterday. So this is the ocean at Palisadoes. Right after you turn off at the roundabouts, we just stepped out to show you the complete contrast between today when Melissa has left and yesterday when she was approaching. And of course you can see a whole heap of debris on the shore. I don't know if this is what it normally looks like. I don't know, but I'm just showing you what I see. And the crows also found something to eat. Alright. Right, I hope you enjoy this view. If you are enjoying our content so far, you're pleased with the footage that we bring you, we are asking you to subscribe to the channel, like our video, leave a comment. We want to know how things are with you wherever you are watching from. If you've been impacted by the hurricane or you know someone who has been impacted, how they're faring out, please share our video and our channel with your friends and family who have similar interests like yours. This would really be helpful to us. Alright, so we are going to take our leave from here, and I think we'll just stay here and end this stream. This ocean is really calm compared to what we saw yesterday. You have been watching Yaadie Hands. Please go back at the beginning of this stream, see what you missed. We visited the Ocean Boulevard. We showed you the ocean, what it looks like this morning compared to yesterday. Go back and look at our videos yesterday and you will see the mad rave in ocean at Ocean Boulevard and right here at the Palisadoes, how it was yesterday. We also stopped by on Upper King Street this morning to help residents. The driver come out with him power saw up one tree, we drop over the wall and it was in the road, and the residents are now in the process of just piling up the tree so that the authorities can come and collect it. And in our earlier stream, we visited Garden Town in Upper St. Andrew past Papine going up the hill, and the most impressive thing there to see was the Hope River in all its glory. Murky, rough waters just flowing downstream. It was a sight to see. And in that community, no lives lost, no massive damage to anybody's property, and the residents were in high spirits. But that is Jamaica. We don't make nothing keep it down for too long, and if something are threatened to keep it down and depress we will just bust out in a song or something, you know, and tell it to go sit on one side. So yeah, Melissa, go sit on one side. We're tired. We're glad to say you're gone, because we did really tired of you. For days and days, we're still going to wait. Anyhow, you come, you're gone. We're really empathetic towards the residents who suffered damage, and we wish them a speedy recovery, and we hope that their life can get back to normal very, very soon. And for those of us who are in a position to help somebody else, do not hesitate to help. One and wash the other. That is what we say in Jamaica. And every mickle make a muckle. If you can do something and me can do something, it will add up to something greater. So this is where Yaadie Hand signs out. Thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking with us. And we really, really appreciate your company. Please leave us a comment. Do subscribe to the channel. Like our content. And we will see you on the next stream. Peace out. Keep safe. Blessed.